Name, Cora staghorn. Origin, Great Barrier Reef, Australia. Diagnosis, coral bleaching. How are you, Cora? Let's talk about your problem.
27 years ago, the ocean was home. I was bursting with colo, surrounded by my sisters, in a calm, thriving reef. Everything felt right back then. Since the waters warmed, I've been fading. My colors are slipping away.
You know, you remind me of one of my clients. A young girl with vitiligo. You both are bleaching, losing the ability to protect against UV rays. She loses her melanin while you are losing amino acid, MAAs, and your fluorescent pigment.
But what can I do? I feel weak. The sun is burning, and I don't want to look so pale and miserable. I feel like I'm dying.
There are some solutions for you and her. To adapt to the changing environment. She will take skin grafts to help her heal. It is the same with you. They are offering super coral restoration. Corals are engineered to survive the heat and UV.
I don't want to change myself to become a super coral. Why can't I heal the way I am? What is that? Nude swim for coral? Here? In Tasmania?
Every year, we meet the cold with bare skin and burning hearts. But this year, we swim for more than light. For the corals, for the coast, for the future. This year, we wear what the sea will take. A dissolvable suit. Give back the nutrients to the corals.